Yeah, hi, welcome to today's video. We are going to be looking at the 4 best survey sites to earn money. So if you're looking to earn some extra money just by doing some very small and menial tasks and obviously giving your opinion, then stay tuned right to the very end of this video. I'm going to be showing you 4 great sites that you can actually start earning today. And also make sure you stay tuned right to the very end. I'm actually going to show you a secret hack of how you can actually earn more money passively. So make sure you stay tuned. Let's go and dive in and find out exactly what these 4 sites are. Okay, so with the current circumstances around the world, everybody is looking to earn some extra cash. And these survey sites are probably one of the fastest and easiest ways to actually earn some easy cash online. They're all free to join, and all you need to do is just log in a few details, and then you have an account, and you can actually start taking these surveys and earning cash. And all of these ones I'm going to show you today, they're all ones that I've actually used myself. I've taken some of the surveys and I've proved that it's paying out as well. And I've got a whole playlist including 76 videos all about the best survey sites here. Put a link above here and in the description below, which will take you through to this directly to this playlist, which you could actually go and have a look at if you want to. The 4 best ones that I've come across so far that you can actually start earning cash today. The first one we're going to look at is called branded surveys. Okay, so it's very, very simple. Like I say, get paid for your opinion with branded surveys. And the reason why I like branded surveys is that you don't have to, you can go and just take surveys, but what they also do, they actually email you certain surveys that are actually specific for your profile information that you've actually given. So if you fill in all your profile information, then you would actually get emails through that if you act quick enough, you'd be able to go and take that email, take that survey and get paid for that survey straight away. Now, do remember these survey sites are the ones that I've used, and I'm in the UK, so they're not possibly going to be good for every single country. There's definitely some of them are. Certainly the one that's my number one, so make sure you stay tuned for that. That is worldwide, and you can earn money anywhere in the world with that. So make sure you stay tuned to that. But branded surveys is certainly a great one for the UK, and all you have to do is sign up. You need to verify everything, and then you can start using it. And as you can see here, it actually you can get cash via PayPal. On Trustpilot, they've had over 71,000 reviews, and they're about a 4-star rating. So like I say, very, very simple to do. Just click on the sign up button, fill in a few details, and you'll be ready to go and start branded surveys. Once you're in your dashboard here, and as you can see, look, I qualify for a payout. So that's brilliant. So I've got another payout, which I can actually go and grab. Now you can just click on these take surveys. This is 29 points for 9-minute survey, 100 points for 12 minutes, etc. Extra earning opportunities here. You could invite friends and you could get 50 points for the first time that they earn a silver badge, which means they've got to take a couple of surveys. You would then get an extra 50 points. There's daily polls, and if we refresh, as you can see, I've had 5 points added to my total. How quickly and easy is that? So the second one I want to talk about today is called superpay.me. Now, as you can see here, you can obviously claim your free bonus. And again, they've had over 3,500 reviews on Trustpilot. They've got an 8-hour payment promise. So you'll get paid within 8 hours of actually cashing out. And also you can cash out from as little as $1. Like so, I will put all the links to these 4 sites in the description below. So make sure you check those out if you want to actually go and join them. Now, like I say, stay tuned right to the very end because I'm also be giving you a secret hack of where you can actually go and earn more money. So the third one we're going to look at, we're going to be looking at a site called Idle Empire. This one's slightly different because you will actually earn free skins, games, gift cards, and cryptocurrency. So it's more designed for cryptocurrencies, but if we scroll down, as you can see here, your favorite rewards, we've got them all. PayPal is there as well. So again, cash is an option. You've got surveys here, you've got offer walls, offers, and that sort of thing. And as you can see, I've got over 16,500 coins that I could actually chop in. And don't forget, there are loads more sites on my playlist on my YouTube channel as well. So if some of these don't fit your country or you don't quite get on with them, then obviously go and try a different one. There are loads of sites out there. Like I say, I'll put a link above here where you'll be able to go straight to the playlist and go and check out all the different videos I've done. But this is my favorite one, which is the number one that I'd recommend. And you definitely need to check this out. This is a worldwide opportunity. And this one is called Free Cash. Okay. Now, again, free to sign up to actually go and to the offer walls here where you can go and earn. Now, I've done loads of different videos about free cash, and there are loads of different ways you can actually earn from free cash. So I've done a whole playlist just on free cash. So make sure you obviously check out those videos as well. They've had over nearly 29,000 reviews on Trustpilot, and they've got a rating of nearly 5 stars. So that's how good it is, and that's why I totally recommend free cash as my number one way that you can earn cash. Now, I've got a special bonus for you as well. You could earn up to a bonus of up to $250 just by using my sign-in code, which is secret money. Okay, so if you put that in the bonus area, once you've signed up, you've got a chance of winning up to $250. And there are loads of different ways that you can actually earn. So if we sign into my account, as you can see here, I've got 20,000 points that I've actually accrued so far, and that's equate to $20. So I could go and cash that out if I wanted to. Very, very simple to do. But like I say, I'll put a link to a video up here which shows you how you can actually go and cash out, because obviously we're not going to be wasting too much time about that on this video. So go and check that out as well. But there are loads of different ways you can actually earn with free cash. I think it was the last count was about 10 or 11 different ways you can actually come in and earn. So with all these sites, like I say, there is a secret hack that you could use to actually go and get more commissions and more money and cash out of all these survey sites, and that is to basically refer other people. You can go and you can refer other people. So if you've got affiliates down here, for argument's sake, on the free cash site, you can go there and you can just copy the link here, and then you can share that referral link on your socials to friends, family, and other people who are looking to earn a little bit of extra cash. So the easiest way to do this, obviously, you can then go and share your journey on free cash and any of the other sites on maybe your blog. So you can do review posts, you can do your top 10, top 20, whatever. You could also do videos, again, similar to this, where you've got your 4 best or you've got your 10 best survey sites, and you can do reviews again. And then you can start sharing those out, and they'll also will rank organically, and people will then sign up under your link, and then you will start earning commissions. And with free cash, this can be up to 30% commissions, which is again why free cash is one of the best actual survey sites out there to earn money. So all you need to do now is check out the links below, go and join all 4 sites, go and start using them, take a few surveys, fill in your profiles, all that sort of thing, and also go and get your referral links as well, where you can actually share them with a few friends and make sure that they start doing it as well, and then you would earn off of their income as well. So it really is a win-win situation. And this, in these times, guys, where we're looking to earn some extra cash to pay for some bills or to pay for some food or anything like that, this could be what you actually are looking to. It doesn't take up much time. You can quite easily do it of an evening or in your lunch hour at work or anything like that. So it really is the most simplest way to actually start earning a bit of extra cash on the side. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch my whole playlist here of other sites that you can actually use as well. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.